Well, hey there, buckaroos. How you doing? Adam Savage here in my cave with a new 4-inch bench vise. This just arrived. This is a 4-inch bench vise for a new machine I have here. 4-inch, yeah. It's a 4-inch vise I have that is to go to a new machine here in the cave. And we'll cover that later. But for right now, I just bought this vise and it's really, really pretty. It's a nice piece. And it's got this thing that, you tighten it up with this cap screw here, and you can use this thing, this Allen wrench, which is fine, such as it is. But I know myself. I don't like Allen wrenches per se as support tools. I want to put a nice, and also I don't want to be like this and then you're doing like, again, I want my flow state to be really, really intuitive and natural progression of my builds. So I am going to make a special tool handle for this Allen wrench for this vise. And here's what it's going to be. I'm going to grind down some flats on the side of this until I get to a cardinal dimension that I have an end mill for. And then I'm going to end mill a slot in here. And then I'm likely to either use grub screws to hold on to this, or if this is not too hard, I'll drill right through this and capture it inside this, which will be the turning handle, and I'm going to shape this into something nice on the lathe. And this is a perfect piece for me to do it with because I can grab this back part and I'll shape this. I think I'm going to make this kind of almond shape. Anyway, that's what's happening. I'm going to grind this down and make a tool handle out of it. Then I'm going to mill a slot in this, get that to fit. And then once I get all that fitment going, then I'm going to chuck this in the lathe and turn it into a nice piece. Yeah. Here we go. So the better part of the handle is here and good. And I'm going to trim this, but first I want to get it. Yeah, I got to do a little bit deeper. So here's how this is going to go. I tried a test hole and it drilled beautifully in there. So I'm going to chuck this into there. Then I'm going to put this in the mill and measure out exactly half this distance in order to drill 2 quarter 20 countersunk holes here so that I can and get that, you know what I'm saying. Right. Yeah, that should do it, actually. Yeah. I want to go one here and one here. And we'll do these as great. So yeah, we'll do that and we'll do that, and those will countersink down there. Yeah. So yeah. Okay, so now I want a number 7. Up, coming out. 7/16 back. Put this in there. Yeah. Oh no! First we got to figure out the yeah. And spot these. So here we have, yeah, I know I got to trim that. Here we have, yeah, my tool, and it's not looking so bad. I'm just gonna pop in a couple of 3/4 inch stainless cap heads. Let's see if I can get the right. Oh, I got it on the first try. And here's the other one. And these will never be torn asunder. Yeah, I'm very happy about that. That was pretty fast. I am, yeah, I'm pleased with this. I'm going to soften these edges here a little bit just because. Now, oh, I can, yes. Let's see if I can do this. Oh, yeah, this is great. Maybe I can do this. There it is. My signature. That actually is the first time I've really liked this signature stamp on something. That's good. Let's call it a day. The shop is mostly clean. It's Friday night. It's time to go home and dance. See you guys after the weekend.